Hi guys, it's Josephine, your usual friend. Welcome to my program, JoK Fashion and Style. I thank you very much for all your lovely comments, all your suggestions, your advice. I appreciate you. Today, I'm dressed in this dress with flowers. It is a summerish dress, very simple and yes, stylish. Think you can see. And what I've done, I have not put on too many accessories, just simple stuff. I don't have a necklace, but I have small earrings, and then I have my hairband, a small one. There's a big one, but if I put on a big one, it will be too much, so I decided to put on a small one, and it all looks nice. You can do it, my beautiful ladies. Remember our special hashtag be you, free to be you. Dress up, celebrate yourself, love yourself. Always don't feel guilty when you go for shopping. You work hard, go out there and treat yourself. Style up. There's nothing wrong with styling up. It's okay. It's amazing. God has blessed us with all these beautiful things. They are ours. We need to dress up and look cute for the glory of God, for yourself, for your hubby. And so thank you very much for everything. Enjoy your life to the fullest. God bless you.